1977 Monaco. Look at this one. It's gonna be the Terminator car. Really nice car. It's one of my favorite schemes. Got your famous black and white. Very close to l.a.p.d. car. Very close, but also wrong. The Metro Police that they used to use for all the TV and film. Metro would be on a lot of stuff. Another funny one would be Police Academy, Terminator, TV shows, countless stuff like that. But you know what? Could just as well be l.a.p.d. Difference between this one and Rick's car, he doesn't have the Monaco script. You got it there. And Greenlight does some things good. That's one of them. That adds a lot to the vehicle. One of the things you'll notice about all the B-bodies they've done so far, and I'll show it on this one, you got your headlight trim. Sticks out. It's got to be much more flush on the real vehicle. When you look at it this way, it cleans up. Again, all in all, still good. I mean, who else is going to take a chance? Another thing on the Monaco, it did the Dodge. That's how it was. And the red. So that's good. You got your California tag. Municipal. So that was very nice. You got your Municipal California. Got your light. That was on the CHP cars too. You got your big metal pipe antenna. You probably get radio stations from Russia. Again, this one deleted trim that we know on the other cars to be there. Kept the chrome wiper. See, I detailed the shifter. There you go. Take a look. Tan. This car, for some reason, can't really see it, but there you go, a little bit. Steering column black. That's the only one that did black steering column. Unusual. Got your seat. Again, very questionable if they had an armrest. Definitely a bench, most likely. You got your silver trim on your drip rail. And you got your black bar, which is a very good facsimile with low detail. We have a little bit more separation in the light. Blue. It's a good blue. Light blue. Depends on the light. Decent. These cars came with trim on the sides. A little bit big. But they did pick out the silver. Got your tail light detail. Again, and just put red back there. Did their homework. You got the correct color, spacing, and picked out the trim. Nice job. Got your lock there. I don't put Dodge on the deck lid. Unfortunate, but it's alright. Can live with it. And again, is the nice windows that they do. And let me look underneath. Same, do chrome, serial number, and there she is. And must not forget, I have a friend. He's here to help us. Make sure everybody enjoys the show. Terminator. This box has another side. Let's take a look. It's got the car, headlights on there. A little bit better in person. Maybe he thought it was too bright and he took them out. But that's the other side. Officially licensed. Terminator Monaco. Nice car.